Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna code using C++. So here is my midterm exam. The one I would code today. I have to code something that is a calculator. Something that determines whether a number is odd or even. Determines the highest or lowest number. And determines whether it is a leap year or not. So I already started with the calculator earlier, so I'm just gonna do the latter part, which is now I'm gonna do the one that determines odd or even number. Okay. So the one I use for this is number. Okay. Number. Alright, it's number. We're gonna use modulo and 2 so that the remainder will determine whether it's odd or even. Something like that. So we have number equal, oh no, wait, it's and even, right? So yeah, it's an even number. Alright. As number is an odd number. Okay, so we're done. Next, we're gonna do choice C. Choice is equals to C or choice equals to small c. Okay. Highest or lowest number. So print out enter first number. So the one I used for this is number 1, number 2, and number 3. So number 1, I'm gonna get faster. So that one, number 2, 3. So three. After this, int is equals to number 1 and int lowest equals to number 2. Oh no, wait, should be number 1. We're gonna put this, so this is what it would base on the numbers, because if you don't put these, it will become an error. I've tried it earlier. So if number 2 is it should be greater than the first if if is equal to number 2. If number 2 is less than if, oh wait, it should be number 3. Less than the if is equal to number 3. So we're gonna copy this for the lowest. So if enter change the lowest, we're gonna change this lowest so it's gonna print out highest is the highest number while so lowest is the lowest number. Then end that. Now we're going to choice D. So then else if choice okay. Okay, I'm going to continue now. So choice D is equal to D, or choice is equal to small d. So choice D is leap year. Should I put this? That's quite simple actually. So C oh wait, I forgot. Leap year. print out with the product, okay, enter a year. No, so that should be in. So I use the variable year for this. I use year. So if so year modulo to 4 because this year happens every 4 years. That's why 4 to 0. And so it means it needs to be true in both year modulo to 100 is not equal to 0 because you can't compute 0. Or another one is year 400 is equal to 0. Okay. Print out year is not, so we have to print first the is a leap year for this one. Then line break, wait, else here is when it's not, so year is not a leap year. And okay. So next, what we have to do is just 4 choices, and the 5th one is just invalid input if you put other than A, B, C, and D. So else, print out invalid input and make it sound angry. So program A. Next would be to ask, since this is a looping statement, so we need the one that asks us whether we would like to try again. So would you like to try again? So the choice I'll put here is Y or N. Okay, so character in, we will use this again, the variable again, so character in again. So that's it for this one. Okay, this is for the do part. So while again is equal, let's put some space. Okay, while again is equals to y for again equal to small y. So factor out. This is, if it is true, it would go back to the start. So this part here would be if they answered n. So thank you. Have a great day. And then to end it all, we have to put the return 0. Means it would end the whole code. So yep. Okay. Okay, so to know whether this works or not, first we have to save this file. Save file as, so let's save it as the desktop, midterm lab. This is the important part. When saving the C++ file, we need to put the .cpp extension, so it will determine that it's a C++ file. So here we save the file, then we run this code. Wait, okay, it works. So let's try all the choices. So first A, calculator, enter, try. So the example, we have the professor used 100 and 10. So first number is 100, second number is 10. So yep, is 110, 90, 1010. Do we have to try again? Yes. So another one would be odd or even. So let's try 88. It's an even number. It's divisible by 2. So for output 3, let's try again. So C, highest or lowest number, but 56, 65, and 60. So 65 is the highest number, while 56 is the lowest number. We try again. Leap year. So 2024 is a leap year. We try again. Now we'll try the invalid input. So let's try K. So it says invalid input because the choices are only A, B, C, and D here. Choice A, B, C, and D. That's why it would say invalid input, because else invalid input. So let's try again. So let's just do random invalid input. So if we don't want to try again, write N, says thank you, have a great day, and that ends our code. Thank you everyone for watching.